Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you why did I purchase this Kenstar Snow Breeze with 2-year warranty BLDC fan. I'll show you the full thing. And first of all, I purchased this for 1858 rupees. And here it is showing like 1899, but I have Flipkart coins, so I use 60 coins for the detection of 60 rupees, so I got it for 1858, and this got 4.1 rating. And I am already using BLDC fan. One is Orient Electric BLDC fan and other is Polycab BLDC fan. And I'll tell you the main reason why did I purchase this Kenstar at this price, because this Orient Electric BLDC fan I purchased for 2700 rupees and Polycab for 3100 rupees, and at this price below 2000 rupees I found out this is one of the good BLDC fan, and this consumes 32 watts of power. See here, this got 1200 long blades only, the fan wings, and superior air delivery to 210 cmm. And one thing, I want a 5-star BLDC fan and consumes less energy, and want to replace, I just want to replace this traditional old fan which is consuming a lot of energy or the power bill. To save the power bill, I just want to replace this with the BLDC and in a budget. As I said, the budget is the main concern for me, because already I purchased two BLDC fan. One is Orient Electric. Fan is this Polycab BLDC fans here, Polycab BLDC. I'll just switch on. Okay, I'll just switching it off. And this fan is 3100. So I have purchased two BLDC fans. So this time I want a very budget friendly fan. That's the reason I purchased this below 2000, to be precise, exactly 58 rupees, and that too with 4.1 rating. Means on the Flipkart it got decent ratings. That's the reason I choose to purchase this. And once I receive the product, I'll be doing a unboxing video, and after using it for like 4 to 5 months I'll be posting a review video on that also. And this is how the remote looks, and what are the options on and off, and 5 speeds, and the timers here, and yeah, here it will be good. Yeah, on and off, 5-speed setting. Reverse mode is also available, I guess. Rev mode, fan will rotate in the reverse mode. In this budget 1900 rupees of budget, reverse option is very good option. And this is another fan, Orient Electric BLDC fan, which I'm showing you here. This is the BLDC fan, and if you want unboxing and reviews of this video, I'll be dropping the links in the description. You can just find out them. And at this budget range, to have the reverse option is also very good. And there is a smart mode, maybe lets you automatically reduce fan speeds every 2 hours. Means during the nights, if you want it, it's just like a sleep mode. At this price range, to get all these options, a very good deal. That's the reason I purchased. And please do comment if anyone are using BLDC fans from this Kenstar brand, and how are your opinions on using this fan. Please do comment your opinion. Yeah, if anyone comments their experience, I'll be very happy. If you do have any other questions, you can just find it in the unboxing video, which I'll drop in the description anyway. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.